Orion, Full Arch Restoration System, Standard Operating Procedure. Before starting, ensure you have the Orion kit and your Helios intraoral scanner ready. Select the correctly sized scan body and place it on the multi-unit abutments MUA. Using the Orion screwdriver. The use of a torque wrench is prohibited. Tighten the screw until finger tight only. Do not torque fully yet. Orient all scan body heads, encoded side, in a convergent manner, ensuring they do not overlap or occlude each other. Once the final angulation is confirmed, apply the final torque with the driver to secure them. Confirm all scan bodies are secure and correctly oriented. Scan the Orion scan bodies. During scanning, ensure at least 2 scan bodies are visible within the same view of the video window. Upon completion, the system will automatically locate the positions of MUAs. Then, install the scan caps onto each abutment position one by one. Manually tighten them using the screwdriver. Proceed to scan the installed scan caps along with the surrounding gingival soft tissue. Move around each cap to capture its full circumference and detail. After scanning completed, click the measurement button. The system will automatically calculate and visualize the matching deviation.